Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, July 20. Thousands of West Central St. Catherine residents are in line to benefit from a project to make their water supply more reliable. Ground was broken on Friday to upgrade the gold mine water supply system at a cost of $75 million.
Today we're starting the process for an important water project to improve water supply to more than 5,000 persons in the communities of Bellas Gate, Cocoa Ridge, Rule Town, Boys Content, Bagham, Planters Hall, Marley Hill, Breeze Mill, Tub Hill, Belfield, Browns Hall, Blue Hole, Wood Hall, Bartons, Macatree, and Fisher Spring.
The project is a partnership involving the National Water Commission, the Rural Water Supply Limited, and independent contractors. The Spanish Town Hospital is looking to cut its energy consumption by 43% following the installation of a new energy-efficient air conditioning system. This represents annual savings of close to $1.6 million and is part of government's national project to reduce the energy bill within the public sector.
In addition, the program involves education in best practices for energy efficiency, as well as steps to enact behavioral changes.
The new state-of-the-art AC units for the Spanish Town Hospital were installed by the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica at a cost of $8.4 million. They were commissioned into service last Wednesday and will serve the hospital's operating theatre and labour ward. The National Solid Waste Management Authority NSWMA is to carry out an island-wide beautification and maintenance project. Cabinet has approved the $260.6 million contract for work to be done over a 12-month period.
The proposed beautification works will involve bushing, trimming of verges, pruning of trees, additional planting and garbage removal. The work will be done in all parishes and will include maintenance of specific areas such as the North Coast Highway between Port Antonio and Negril.
Funding is being provided by the Tourism Enhancement Fund. The Tourism Ministry is partnering with the Ministry of Industry and the Jamaica Manufacturers Association to supply the growing demand for uniforms within the tourism sector. Head of the Tourism Linkages Hub, Carolyn MacDonald-Riley, says more local uniform manufacturers are needed to fill the supply gap.
Every single one of our hoteliers use uniforms, and there is no 1, 2, 3, or 4 entities that exist that can supply the amount of uniforms that we want. In the hotel, we have different uniforms for entertainment, we have different uniforms for the kitchen, we have different... It's awesome, there's a lot.
She was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. The partnership is aimed at increasing the number of Hard Trust textile graduates and other seamstresses available to work within the sector. The Canadian Farm Work Program celebrated a significant milestone recently. The Canadian government handed over a passport with work permit to mark the 200,000 Jamaican to benefit from the Seasonal Agricultural Workers Program. The program has been going on since 1966, bringing approximately $1.7 billion in remittances to Jamaica. Labour and Social Security Minister Derek Kellier said the program had done more than provide a paycheck for its beneficiaries.
Through this means, they have been able to provide critical support for their families by way of home building and expansion, higher levels of productivity due to an evolved work ethic gained in Canada, greater access to educational opportunities for their children, and access to farming technology and social amenities.
For his part, Canadian High Commissioner Robert Reddy said the program highlighted the continued bilateral relationship between the two countries. And finally, Cabinet has appointed new boards for a number of public entities. The Jamaica Foundation for Lifelong Learning's new board will be chaired by Audrey Hinchcliffe. The board will serve for a 3-year period ending May 2018. Meanwhile, Dr. Hugh Vaughan is to chair the newly appointed board for the Jamaica National Agency for Accreditation. The National Environment and Planning Agency has also been appointed a new board, which is chaired by Dr. Judith Robinson, while Attorney-at-Law John Jr. has been reappointed as chairman of the board of the Natural Resources Conservation Authority, with Dr. Carol Archer as deputy chair. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.